What's going on, guys? It's your boy FX and Sonic. I'm just trying to make a quick little video on how I made, basically how I passed 100K account in one trade. Like people really make passing an account complicated, but it's really not complicated. You can pass an account in like an hour, in a day, 2 days. Well, it shouldn't take you a week or like a month to pass an account. But this is basically how I kind of pass an account in one trade. So let's do this little breakdown on this trade. So as always, I start on a weekly time frame. Hold on, let me go back. Uh use the back play too. So let's just say the market is like around here. So I start on a weekly time frame. So I come on the weekly. I see that the weekly is because of this engulfing right here, I see it as bullish. I'm not really looking at all this right here, which I mean if you're looking at it, you'll kind of see the market as bearish because high low, high low, high low. We broke out. Like you'll kind of see it as bearish, but I'm not really worried about what's going on over there. I'm just worried about what's going on like right now. So the weekly is bullish to me because of this engulfing right here. I come on the daily time frame. The daily time frame following market structure. We made a high, we made a low, we made another high, we made a low, made a high, potentially making a new higher low. So this is exactly what I love to see, bro. Like this right here, I love to see the market look like this. And guess what else I see? Like this is just confluence for me. Now I see a daily 200 EMA right here, right in my demand zone. And if I come on the weekly, I see the weekly EMA is also in my demand zone as well. So I know this weekly candlestick is gonna close above the zone, above the EMA. So after I identify the structure, which as we can see the weekly, daily, and 4 hour is bullish, I will then go on a 4 hour time frame. This is when I look at like the current market structure. Like sometimes I will even take this little counter trend trade for a sell. I'll probably look for like a little supply zone in 5 minutes to sell off to my demand zone. I'll do that a lot. But in this with this setup I didn't because I'm trying to pass an account one trade. So on the 4 hour, the way how I draw my demand zone is with the FEG. So we got this huge gap right here. Then what I will do, I will just take it from the candle that formed the FEG to the low. So this right here will be my demand zone. That's how I draw my demand zone. And as you can see, we had like explosive. Usually I like 3 candles or more. So 3 candles explosively broke these highs right here. So this is a very valid demand zone for me. But when I went down in lower time frame, like the 1 hour, I saw like a clean up demand zone as well. So I came on the 1 hour, I saw like, hold on, let me remove these right here. So you can see on the 1 hour, I saw that we had like a 1 hour demand zone, very clean. Do I go back? Yeah, we had a clean 1 hour demand zone. And again, another thing I forgot to mention when I was looking at this setup, when I already identified my higher low and my higher high, I had took my fib right here. So I used the fib tool as well. It's part of my strategy. Took the fib tool. I found out my extreme discount, which I'm looking for a buy. So I'm looking to buy in the discount. I'm not looking to buy above this white line. I'm only looking to buy below this white line, which sometimes is 61%. But I mainly take trades at the 75 and the 78 because I know once the market gets to that point, there is no return. It's not returning back. So I identify that. I see the EMA is lining up with my setup. And then I come on a lower time frame. 4 hour. I'm seeing this little 4 hour EMA is like slowly coming to my zone. No. I'm on the 1 hour. I identify my demand zone. I mark out my golden zone. Price broke this structure right here. And at the time, this area was also a POC area as well, which is a high volume area. So this demand zone is really, really valid because, with the volume, it's said that's where banks and institutions takes the market from. So I'm like, okay, if price come back into this demand zone, which is a very, very extreme uh, level of discount, and it's a high volume area, I know price is gonna react. So my original entry was supposed to be like right here at this golden zone, because most time when I'm trading, when there's a golden zone inside of my supply or demand, my entry is usually at the golden zone. So my entry really should have been like right here, but I forgot to set an alarm, or my alarm didn't go off, so I missed the entry. I missed my original entry right here at the golden zone, but I was able to still catch it. So let's play price right now. The price came tap into my golden zone. At that time, I was not like near my computer or my phone. As you can see, this was like around 5. I think this was like 5 in the evening time or in the morning. So I think I actually got in off like a 15-minute engulfing, or was it a 30-minute? But let me check it out. Yeah, my entry was like actually right here. So it was right at this engulfing. It was a 30-minute engulfing. So yes, I still use the engulfing candlestick as entry. So I enter with the 30-minute engulfing because we engulfed this candle, and price basically made like a double bottom as well, like a low 30-minute double bottom. So I got in the trade, put my stop loss. They didn't put my stop loss below the demand because I knew price wasn't gonna go too low again. And from here, I just thought we are just gonna go up to the upside. Play price, got in a little drawdown. Actually, got into a lot of drawdown. I was in like 1,000 plus drawdown, and I was risking 2,000 on this trade. I think like 2,200 or something like that. This trade was from Friday, so it slept over the weekend. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, per hours, I was getting cooked, and the rest is history, bro. Like when I saw this 4 hour candle right here, because I was a little bit worried when I was in this trade, because I saw this 4 hour EMA. I'm like, the price might top this EMA, reverse back, and then move up, because you see this EMA was usually support, resisting. So it's a very, very strong EMA. If you go back, this EMA, you gotta like trust them, bro. So my TP was like right here, because right here means my account pass, which was like 2 point, like somewhere around here. So when price was here, I was actually up like 7K, but then price dropped a little bit. Actually, nah, my TP was actually like right here. Yeah. So I was up like around like 7,300, 400 right here. I'm actually put the screenshot so you guys can see. But price started to drop. Price it really dropped. I went back to like 4,000. I thought about hopping out. Like price came all the way here. It was around like 4 or 5K. Thought about hopping out. So I actually hopped out at 6,800, which when price came back up, I think we dropped again one more time. Yeah, yeah. So we dropped again, bro. Like I was almost at TP 7.4, 7.5, almost at TP, but then we dropped again. So I hopped out right there. Actually, nah, I think I held to about. I was still in this trade. I actually had thought about entering again because price came and tapped into a 1 hour EMA. So I thought about entering because I knew this EMA was gonna hold. So I was about to enter like 5 standard, but the market just started like moving up. and I hopped out at 6.8. After I hopped out, that shit just went and smashed TP. So when I got out, I saw like a quick little setup on Go. I took a quick little 5 minute setup on 5 minute demands on Go, and Go made me like $1,000 that I needed to pass my account. So basically, this was a $8,000 trade. It's still TP still did got hit, but I didn't hold all the way till TP. But easy supply and demand setup, man. Market structure, the fib. I have not been using the volume as often, but just learn market structure. All you need is market structure and just the fib. Like literally, this could have been your trade right here. I could have just done this how I used to trade in the past. Entry could have been right there. My stop loss, it's just that my stop loss was too big. It's about 50 pips. My take profit is right there. You guarantee to make about 1 to 3. So my entry is at the 75. If I had put it at the 78, I would have missed the trade. So you are guaranteed to make at least 3% every time. We're just using the fib as a strategy. But with the supply and demand, I can get a better risk to reward. So like with this trade, though my setup was like a 1 to 2.8, but this trade ended up going up for about like 1 to 5. So imagine I was here like I was 8 bands. If it had come all the way up there, that could have been some like good cheese right there. Videos as of late, but I'm gonna start uploading more and more. So this is it for this video. And if you guys want to see what I see on this trade next, right now, this is still the swing high and this is still the swing low until we break below this high. And then maybe like this right here is an order block. Maybe we can have another setup, but as for now, this trade is still doing this thing. So that's it for this video, man. I'm gonna keep you guys updated and see you guys in the next video, man.